These are indoor IPMAT question. They're excellent question. And just very, very tough. And to start with, this is the tough question, very tough question. And so I'm going to discuss these kind of questions. So f of x into f of y is f of 2xy plus 3 times f of x plus y minus 3 times f of y plus 6y. Find the value of f of 8. In all of these questions, wherever possible, see if you can substitute numbers and sub numbers and get some values. The best numbers to hit, the best values to hit are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Because the additive identity, multiplicative identity, they all get taken care of. And so 1, 1 is sometimes useful, but sometimes not. If there is an x plus y sitting there, you can plug in a and minus a. There's an x into y sitting there, you can put a and 1 by a. Especially if you manage to find out f of 1. And the best starting point usually is plugging in 0 and 0. You need to find f of 8, but that is probably going to be a 2-3 step process. So let's say we put 0. F of 0 into f of 0 is f of 2 into 0 into 0 plus 3. F of 3 plus 3 times f of 0 minus 3 times f of 0 plus 0. This will go away. This is nothing. F of 0, the whole square, is f of 3. I was hoping we'll get a value. We'll get something like f of 0 is 2 or 3 or 1 or 5 or something like that. Turns out we have not got that. It's not worked out for us. So let's see if we can build on this further. So f of 0, the whole square, is f of 3. So I'm going to put y equal to 0. Fine. So, and then keep x as it is. Because there's a 6y term here. You don't want this term because there's a numerical term. Everything else is in terms of f of x, f of y. And so if you put f of x into f of 0 equal to f of 2 into x into 0. So that is 0 plus 3 times f of x minus 3 times f of 0 plus 0. Fine. So far so good. We have put f of x as x and put y equal to 0. We have substituted y as 0. 3 times f of x sitting here, f of 3 minus 3 times f of 0. And so if you extract this, simplify it in some form, bring the f of 0 this side, that might simplify it, or bring the f of x this side, that might simplify it. We know that f of 0, the whole square, is f of 3. So I'm going to simplify that. Use that here. Use this as f of x into f of 0 equals f of 0 the whole square plus 3 times f of x minus 3 times f of 0. And bring this side, f of x into f of 0 minus 3 equals f of 0 into f of 0 minus 3. Either f of x equal to f of 0 or f of 0 is 3. One of these two inferences. I'm just going to recap this. And so first step, we got f of 3 equal to f of 0 the whole square when we put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Then we kept x as x and we put y as 0. We get the expression that either f of 0 is equal to 3 or f of x equal to f of 0. Either this is a constant function. That doesn't look like it will fit. We're putting f of x equal to k. K square equals k plus 3k minus 3k plus 6 into value. It looks like that will break down because of the 6y term here. So I'm going to eliminate this process that f of x is a constant. We get f of 0 equal to 3. We know that f of 3 is f of 0 the whole square. This means f of 3 is equal to 9. We're getting somewhere with this. Right? So, but we've got very little else to go with. We still have to keep on plugging different values and get there. We need to find f of 8. So f of x into f of y, f of 2xy plus 3 plus 3 times f of x plus y minus 3 times f of y plus 6y. And we need to get f of 8. We know f of 0, we know f of 3. If we put f of 0, x is 0 and y is 3, we'll get only f of 3 again. We'll get f of 3 here, f of 3 here. That doesn't work. We need to have f of 8 coming in there. And so if you put x as 1, y as 3, that becomes f of 9. That doesn't work either. If you can get this to 5, that is complicated. So what do? We need to get an f of 8 somewhere. Maybe we can put x is 8 and put y is 0. Right? So, but we've already put f of y equal to 0. If we do y equal to 0, then we're going to get back that same expression, that f of 0 is 3. Therefore, f of, in some form, either f of x is constant or f of 0 is 3. That's what we're going to derive back again. So this does not help either. Fine. It's a very tough question. We have to keep on plugging different values. Fine. So we need to get f of 8. So let's see if we can do x is 0, y is 8. And so let's substitute that. Let's substitute x equal to 0, y equal to 8. F of 0 into f of 8. This is good because we know f of 0 is 3. F of 2 into 0 into 8. So this becomes 0. F of 3 plus 3 into f of 8 minus 3 into f of 8 plus 6 into 8. And so f of 0 into f of 8, f of 0 is 3. We know that. 3 times f of 8 equals f of 3 plus these two get cancelled plus 48. 3 times f of 8 is f of 3 is 9. 9 plus 48, which is 57, or f of 8 is 57 by 3, 19. Absolutely delightful question. Very, very, very tough. When you will do a bunch of trial and error, key learning, key takeaway from here, whenever you are given expressions like this, plug in 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 1 and 1, x and 0, 0 and y, x and minus x, 1 by y and y, these kind of combinations. Especially if you can pick whether the additive identity has a role to play or the multiplicative identity has a role to play, then you can plug suitably and simplify.